Hello everyone, today we're located in Kensington, London. My name is Nikolai Kirilov and I'm the director of the UK division of Trident Modular Housing. What we're going to be looking at today is one of our garden studio projects for a private client that is going to be fitted out to be a home gym. Now, the number one advantage that we have as a modular housing company is the fact that we own our factory and we have complete flexibility over the building itself and all sizes associated with that. Now, this particular project was of interest to us because of the challenge that you're about to see, which was getting the actual panels in the back garden, as there is no access to it whatsoever. Not from the front, not from the back. Let's get inside and see what it's about. So the reason why I'm stopping at this window is because this is how we got the actual modules inside the house. There is nowhere to get them in from because of the actual sizes. So what we had to do was take the actual window out, and we got the modules through the hole and into the house to the back garden. This was a challenge that no other company was willing to take, but for us, this was just another day. Let's go in the back and have a look at the garden studio. So this is a newly refurbished property. The client wanted to add some additional space to it to not just expand, but to add value to the property itself, which is what a garden studio would do to any property. Just getting outside in the garden, we can already start seeing the actual garden studio that we're currently building. At the moment, we're finishing up the actual fit out and the roof as well. So, as you can see, the basic electrics have already been done. The doors have been installed and the roof is currently being insulated. Well, an actual additional insulation barrier is being placed that is against humidity, rain, heat, anything that you can think of. It protects the actual building. Let's get inside and see what the actual garden studio looks like. So the garden studio, even though that in this situation it is going to be fitted out as a home gym, is a year-round house. It is fully double insulated for both heat and cold, which means that no matter the temperature outside, it's always going to be warmer on the inside or cooler on the inside depending on the season. You don't need much heating, you don't need much cooling. Now let's just get inside and see the actual bathroom unit that will be installed. This is the space for it, and this is where it would be if this was a normal studio. That is why it's called a studio, because this is made to be a self-contained building that can be used for even full-time living. For example, if you had guests coming over or family members and you don't have enough space in your own home and you're looking to expand, usually what people do is go for an extension. But a traditional extension takes 5-6 months on average and is at least 3.5 times costlier than what this building is. So you can get in touch with us and ask any questions that you might have or get a pricing for a project that you're thinking about. But I just want to reiterate and say that we hold full flexibility over our buildings. We manufacture them, therefore you can choose not just the interior and the exterior, but you can actually choose what the actual building looks like on the outside as well. It can be of any shape and any form. It can be a triangle building, a hexagonal looking building, it doesn't matter. As long as the structural integrity of the building is good, then we can build it. This is just a check-in video. We will have a follow-up when the actual garden studio is ready, so we can go through all of the details, not just of the insulation, but the fit out itself, the flooring, the ceiling, the internal, external finishes, the protective membranes, and so on, so we can actually show you all of the details about our technology and why nobody in the UK and even worldwide can beat us. My name is Nikolai Kirilov, and this has been Trident Modular Housing. Thank you.